I stopped it.
I'll have 2 tickets. God!
At least we'll have an outtakes part.
What the heck? What are you doing here?
I don't know, I just stayed there for a while. That's because I keep on thinking about your Haley, like Annie.
Oh god.
Like animal.
Okay, start the fucking camera. Oh God!
Oh,
Come on!
You suck.
Okay, this time. I gotta stop. That's
Not
because
right.
Dave was doing that, I think. Turn the fucking camera off!
Animal.
Oh.
I have 2 tickets to Ashes on Fire, please.
No.